culture here is laid back compared to a corporate culture. We don't have much of a dress code. The culture is about doing the sports that we love.
Our industry is built completely on relationships, whether it's through our supply chain, through our dealers, or to our customer. We have to have a direct relationship to those people at all times.
We have 2 offices here in Oregon. We have an office in Irvine in Hawaii, and then one in Annecy, France. Due to the time change between Hawaii and Annecy, that's 24/7 gig. My biggest challenge is being available all the time from anywhere. We needed to migrate our email off of an on-prem situation quickly and efficiently. Office 365 was kind of the obvious choice in that scenario. It just allowed us the ease of migration, the flexibility, the scalability.
The definition of what work is, I think, is changing everywhere, and the mobility of it is making that possible. The fact that Office 365 is device agnostic is really important to me because it allows the freedom of mobility to all of our employees.
The sales team is always on the road, whether they're in stores, in airports, at trade shows. They need to have their data in front of them at all times. So mobility is the #1 priority for a sales organization. Office 365 is a key component for the sales and merchandising department on an everyday basis.
I use OneDrive for Business to sync and store all of my important and relevant documents that I might need on the go or I might need backed up. Being able to share and collaborate on a OneNote document or, just an Excel spreadsheet is super convenient and important to my daily life.
I would recommend Office 365 because of the ease of use. When someone opens up something that looks like Outlook or looks like Excel, they are immediately more comfortable. It was a no-brainer. Being able to immediately connect via video conferencing is a huge advantage and time saver, really. Productivity just means freedom to live your life. And now we have it with Office 365.